morning ka-friendship. At today's video ay gagawa tayo ng pinakasimpleng fruit salad pero masarap. Okay, so sit back and relax and please watch this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Here are the ingredients ka-friendship. We have here 490 grams fruit cocktail, 140 grams pineapple chunks. Meron tayo ditong 168 ml na condensed milk, 250 ml all-purpose cream, and meron tayo ditong dalawang tag 340 grams na nata de coco. Meron tayong red at saka meron tayong green. And we will be using 2 pieces apples for plating later. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's get started. Okay, what we're going to do next ka-friendship is ihalo-halo lang natin yung mga ingredients. So, ayan. Itong ating fruit cocktail. And then yung ating pineapple chunks. Then dagdag na rin natin yung ating nata de coco. So ganun lang siya kasimple ka-friendship. Then dagdag natin yung ating all-purpose cream. Saka yung ating condensed milk. Oops, awas. So, ayan. Mix lang natin siya ka-friendship. Let's just mix it very well. So, ganun na siya kadali at ganun na siya kasimple ka-friendship. So, tikman natin kung okay na yung tamis niya. So, ayan, okay na siya ka-friendship. So, what we're going to do next is ilalagay lang natin siya sa ref ng at least 2 to 3 hours para mag-chill yung ating fruit salad. And then after that, ready for serving na siya. Okay ka-friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product. Yung ating pinakasimple pero masarap na fruit salad. So, ayan siya ka-friendship. Ayan yung ating fruit salad. So, dagdagan pa natin sa itaas. Okay, ayan na po ka-friendship ang ating fruit salad. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang fruit salad natin sa araw na ito. Okay, kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember that there is no greater wealth in this world than peace of mind. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!